Welcome to Sarasas Samutsarn School. This is Science Matayong 3. And I am Teacher Carla G. Circulado. Today we will start by reading our vocabulary words. So listen carefully as I read the first sets of words. Digestive, digestive. Excretory, excretory. Esophagus, esophagus. Now repeat after me. Digestive, excretory, esophagus. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the second sets of words. Exhale, exhale. Gland, gland. Pancreas, pancreas. Now repeat after me. Exhale, gland, pancreas. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the third sets of words. Intestine, intestine. Nerve, nerve. Vein, vein. Now repeat after me. Intestine, nerve, vein. Very good. Now listen carefully as I read the fourth and last sets of words. Muscular, muscular. Skeleton, skeleton. Organs, organs. Now repeat after me. Muscular, skeleton, organs. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Please bring out one piece of paper, or if you have your notebooks with you, and write activity number 1, day to day, the month, and the year. Let's do number 1. Spell the word organs. Number 1, organs. Number 2, spell the word digestive. Digestive. Number 3, spell the word intestine. Intestine. Okay, let's answer the exercise. Please bring out your red pen as we check your work. Okay, put 1 if the spelling is correct. And if your spelling is wrong, please copy the correct answer. So number 1, spell organs. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Write 1 if you're correct, If you're wrong, copy the correct answer. Number 2. Digestive. D I G E S T I V E. Digestive. Number 3. Intestine. I N T E S T I N E. Intestine. Very good. Now let's move on to our lesson for today, which is in Unit 1, Our Bodies. If you have your book with you, you can open your book on page 1. Body planes. Body planes, geometric planes that divide the human body into sections. As you can see on our picture model, this is the body plane. Under body planes, we have 3 imaginary lines that divide the human body into sections. It helps us to describe parts of the body easily. So the first one is the sagittal plane. Everybody, can you repeat after me? Sagittal plane. Splits body vertically. Very good. As you can see on the picture, sagittal plane is this one. Splits the body vertically. So this is the body, and this is the division from right to left. So the division is like half of the body, right and left. It's vertically divided. Okay, the next one, coronal plane. Repeat after me. Coronal plane, dividing the body into dorsal and ventral parts, belly and back. Very good. As we can see on the picture model, coronal plane is this imaginary line right here, dividing the body into dorsal and ventral, belly and back. Okay, so this line right here in the middle, that is the coronal plane. The third one is the transverse plane. Repeat after me. Transverse plane, dividing line that separates the anterior and posterior sections of the body. Very good. As we can see on the picture model, transverse plane is this imaginary line right here. Okay, so it divides and separates anterior and posterior section of the body. Okay, this line right here. That is transverse plane. Again, body planes are geometric planes that divide human body into sections. So it helps us to describe body parts easily. Under body planes, we have sagittal plane, coronal plane, and transverse plane. Then we'll go to human organ systems. Can you repeat after me? human organ systems is a group of organs working together. Very good. There are 10 major organ systems in the human body. So all organs, these 10 major organs in the body are very important because it helps each other to work together or to function well. Okay, so we have pictures right here. It's only 5. So we have 5 more organ systems that we will talk about on our preceding topics. Okay. So the 10 major organ systems that we will talk about. Can you repeat after me? Number 1, the digestive system. Number 2, the respiratory system. Number 3, the excretory system. Number 4, the circulatory system. Number 5, the reproductive system. And number 6, the nervous system. Number 7, the gland system. 8, the skeletal system. 9, the muscular system. 10, the immune system. Very good. So let's do our exercise for this lesson. Please write in a piece of paper activity number 2, the day-to-day, the month, and the year. Number 1 question. What do you call the geometric plane that divides the human body by sections? What do you call the geometric plane that divides the human body by sections? Number 2. What do you call the group of organs working together? Number 2. What do you call the group of organs working together? 3, 4, and 5. Give at least 3 major human organ systems. 3, 4, 5. Give at least 3 major human organ systems. Very good. As summary, we talked about body planes, which is the geometric plane or line that divides human body sections. Okay, we have sagittal plane, coronal plane, transverse plane. And we also talked about the human organ system. And we have 10 major organ systems. So these are the organs that are very important in our body. It helps each other to work together for our body to function well. On our next meeting, we will talk about the first organ system, which is the digestive system. So thank you all students for watching and listening to this video. Don't forget to wash your hands, to wear your mask, to always keep safe. Hope to see you soon. Eat vegetables and your vitamins. Goodbye!